Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, today we have a lot of animals guys. We have wild animals, we have sea animals, we have farm animals. So guys, without any further ado, let's start the video with the wild animals. So guys, let's see who is first guys. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is such a cool and amazing, very strong animal guys. Very strong cat. This is tiger. Color and black stripes on his body guys. This is such a cool and very realistic high quality tiger figure guys. Wow, tiger looking super amazing guys. So let's collect him here guys. We're gonna collect all of them in this green tray guys. So let's collect them one by one. Let's see who's next guys. Oh wow guys, look at this guys. This is very big cat guys. This is a lion. Look. Look at the very cool tail guys, very cool body. This is very strong, super amazing cat. This is lion figure. Wow, lion is looking super high quality, very realistic lion guys. Wow, very big lion. Let's collect this lion. Now let's see who is next guys. Oh wow guys, look at this guys. This is very huge, biggest animal in the jungle guys. Look at the very sharp teeth of this amazing huge animal. This is elephant. Super cool guys. Look at the ears of this elephant guys. Very huge ears and very huge teeth and tongue, very huge tongue too. This is very amazing elephant figure guys. Wow, elephants are huge and heavy guys. Wow, very amazing elephant guys. Let's collect him. Now let's see who's next. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is such a scary and amazing venomous animal. This is snake.
One-on-one.
Snake guys, look at the very cool red color eyes, very venomous snake guys. This is cobra snake guys. Wow, this is such a cool snake guys. White and black color combination. This is snake figure guys. Let's collect the snake. Now let's see who is next guys. Oh wow guys, look at this guys. This is such a huge mouth, super amazing animal. They live in water and ground too. This is hippopotamus. Wow guys, hippopotamus looking super amazing. Look at the sharp teeth of this hippopotamus guys. Gray and orange color combination. This is such a huge mouth, amazing animal. This is hippopotamus guys. Wow, hippopotamus are very cool. Let's collect this hippopotamus. Now let's see who's next. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is such amazing brown, amazing, very strong animal. This is brown bear. Very super cool guys. Look at the hair, amazing brown color hair and very sharp teeth. Look at the very amazing body he has. This is brown bear guys. Wow, this brown bear is super cool guys. Very amazing and very cool quality. This is brown bear guys. Wow, I just love it, brown bear. Let's collect this brown bear. Now let's see who's next guys. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is such a huge and amazing animal guys. Very strong animal. This is rhinoceros. Wow guys, rhinoceros looking super cool guys. Look at the very cool horn of this rhino, gray and orange color combination. This is rhinoceros guys. Wow, rhino looking super huge and strong guys. Wow, very realistic body. Let's collect this rhinoceros. They are very thick skin guys, rhinoceros. Let's see this next guys. Oh wow guys, look at this guys. This is such a cool, the tree climber, super amazing cat. This is leopard. Cool guys, full of yellow body and black dots on his body guys. Look at the red eyes, very amazing. This is leopard figure guys. Leopards are very cool guys, very amazing Very cool animal, guys. They hunt very calmly. Wow, they are very strong too. They climb amazing trees with their hunt. Wow, very amazing. This is amazing leopard. Let's collect this leopard now. Let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very huge, tallest animal in the jungle. This is giraffe. Wow, guys, giraffe has a very huge neck, guys. As you can see, look at the yellow color body, black dots on his body. Look at the huge neck and huge legs, guys. This is the tallest animal in the jungle. Giraffe. Wow, giraffe are very tall, guys. Very cool giraffe animal. Let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very cool and amazing. Full of black color combination. Gorilla. Wow, guys, this gorilla looking super amazing. Look at the very cool posture of this gorilla. Wow, very strong gorilla, guys. Look at the very amazing design. Super realistic, high quality gorilla figure, guys. Wow, very amazing gorilla figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is very amazing bear, guys. This is polar bear. Look. Wow, guys, this polar bear is super amazing, guys. Look at the full of white color snowish body. Look at the very amazing face. Wow, very huge animal, guys. This is polar bear, guys. Wow, polar bear looking super cool, guys. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, we got another cat here, guys. This is very strong cat, lioness figure. Wow, guys, this lioness looking super strong, guys. Look at the very huge, amazing body. Look at the muscles of this lioness, guys. Very strong lioness figure, guys. Wow, this is amazing lioness. Let's get like this super realistic lioness. Let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool, the fast animal, very strong animal. This is wildebeest. Look at the brown and black color combination. Look at the horns of this wildebeest, guys. Wow, they have hair on his neck also, guys. This is very amazing wildebeest figure, guys. Wow, super realistic, high quality wildebeest, guys. Let's collect this wildebeest. Wow, guys, we collected all of the wild animals, guys. Now it's time for the farm animals. Let's collect them one by one. Now it's time for the farming animals. Let's see who is next. Guys, this is a bunch of trees from the farm. Let's see who is first. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is very strong, the fastest animal. This is horse. Wow, guys, his horse is looking super amazing. Look at the hair on his back. Look at the hair on his tail, guys. This is the very amazing orange color horse, guys. Wow, look at the black and orange color combination. This is the fastest horse. Wow, horses are very amazing animal, guys. Farming animal. Let's collect this horse. Let's see who's next. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool snowy white combination. This is sheep. Cool, guys, look at the very cool long hot round horns he has. Very cool, amazing farming animal, guys. Look at the hair around his body. This is such a cool sheep figure, guys. Wow, very beautiful sheep figure. Let's collect this sheep figure. Let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is cock. Wow, guys, this cock figure looking super cool, guys. Look at the red and yellow color combination. Look at the tail of this cock, guys. Puck, 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 puck. Wow, this cock is looking super cool, guys. Very realistic, high quality design. This is cock figure, guys. Wow, cock is looking super amazing, guys. Let's collect this cock figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool and amazing, our favorite farming animal. This is goat. Very cool horns of this goat, yellow and brown, and very amazing color combination. This is such a cool and amazing goat figure, guys. This is our favorite farming animal, guys. Wow, goats are amazing. Let's collect this goat figure. Now let's see this next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this, guys. This is such a cool black and white color combination. Very amazing farming animal, very useful farming animal. This is cow. Wow, guys, this cow looking super amazing, guys. Look at the very cool milky cow, guys. Look at the milk of this cow. Look at the black and white color combination. Look at the very cool horns. Wow, this is such a cool milky cow figure, guys. Wow, this cow is looking super cool, guys. Very milky cow. Let's collect this cow figure. Now let's see his next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool pet dog. Wow, guys, this pet dog is super realistic, guys. Look at the hair around this body, guys. This is pet dog figure, guys. Wow, super realistic, high quality pet dog figure, guys. Bow, bow, bow. Wow, very realistic design, very high quality design. Let's collect this pet dog, guys. And let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, this is such a cool and amazing, very strong animal, farming animal, very realistic design. This is bull. Wow, guys, this blue wow, guys, this bull looking super amazing, guys, full of black color combination. Look at the blue eyes of this bull, guys. Wow, he's very strong animal, farming animal, guys. This is bull figure, guys. Our bulls are very strong farming animals, guys. Let's collect this bull. Let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very cute animal. This is squirrel. Wow, guys, squirrel is looking super amazing, guys. Orange and white color combination. Look at the very cool design, tail, very realistic, high quality. This is squirrel, guys. They eat nuts and all that good stuff, guys. Wow, very amazing. This is squirrel figure. Let's collect the squirrel. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool, amazing. Look at the horns of this amazing animal. This is swamp deer. Wow. Oh guys, this swamp deer is super cool, guys. Look at the brown and black color combination. Look at the horns on his amazing face. Wow, this is such a cool and amazing. This is swamp deer, guys. Wow, swamp deer is super cool, guys. Let's collect the swamp deer and let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very amazing, cute, small rabbit. Wow, guys, this rabbit is looking super cute, guys. Very realistic, high quality design. Look at the pink color ears and white color body, even brown color eyes. This is cute rabbit figure, guys. Wow, let's collect this beautiful realistic rabbit figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is chocolatey, milky, very amazing animal. This is cow. Cow, guys. Look at the black and chocolatey color design, very realistic, high quality chocolate milk animal. This is cow figure, guys. Wow, this cow is looking super amazing, guys. Let's collect this beautiful cow figure. Now let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. We got another animal, guys, farming animal. This is yellow and white color combination, round horns animal. This is sheep. Wow, guys, this sheep is looking super cool, guys. Like yellow and white color combination. Wow, this sheep is very cool and amazing. Look at the hair, so much hair around his body, guys. Very amazing farming animal. This is sheep figure, guys. Wow, sheep are very cool. Let's select this sheep figure and let's see his next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is such a cool, amazing orange. Super cool, guys. Look at the orange color body. Look at the back and look at the neck he has. Wow, this is such a cute and amazing camel figure, guys. Camels are very useful animal, guys. Look at the long neck and very cool back. Wow, orange camel, guys. Let's collect this camel. Let's see his next, guys. Wow, guys, look at this, guys. This is very amazing, long, very round horns. This is black deer. Wow, guys, this black deer looking super realistic, guys. Very high quality design. Look at the very cool shiny body. This is very amazing black deer figure, guys. Wow, this is very realistic black deer, guys. Wow, such an amazing animal, black deer. Now let's see this next, guys. Oh, guys, we got another super cool farming animal, guys. This is camel. Camel looking super cool, guys. Look at the orange color body. Look at the very cool yellow, light yellow color bag on his down. Wow, very amazing animal, guys. This is such a cool animal, very useful animal. Camel figure, guys. Wow, very realistic, high quality design. Wow, very cool camel figure, guys. Let's collect him. Now let's see who's next. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool and amazing duck figure. Legs and very cool red color face and blue color eyes, guys. Wow, quack 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 quack. Wow, ducks are very cool animal, farming animal, guys. They have very huge eggs, guys. Wow, they give very huge eggs. Wow, very amazing duck figure, guys. Let's collect this duck. Let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very amazing, the fastest horse. This is black horse. Her on his tail. This is the fastest horse, guys. Tigrik, 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 tigrik. Wow, this is the black horse, the fastest horse. Wow, horses are very amazing farming animal, guys. Wow, this is very cool horse, guys. Let's collect this horse. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is panda figure, guys. Wow, this panda is looking super cool, guys. White and black color combination. This is such a cute and amazing panda figure, guys. Wow, pandas are small bear, guys. Wow, very cute panda figure, guys. Let's collect this beautiful panda figure. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. We got another deer. Wow. Wow, guys, this deer looking super realistic, guys. Look at the very cool horns. Wow, very realistic, high quality deer. Deers are very fast animal, guys. Wow, very amazing, super cool deer figure, guys. Let's collect this deer. Now let's see this next guy. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is yellow color, amazing, super cute animal. This is pet dog. Wow. Cool, guys, look at the very amazing pet dog, guys. Yellow color body. Wow, 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 wow. This pet dog looking super amazing, very realistic, high quality design. Wow, let's collect this pet dog figure. Guys, we collected all of the farming animals too, guys, and we also collected the wild animals. Now it's time for the ocean animals, guys. Let's collect them one by one. Wow, guys, look at this. This is such a huge and amazing whale. Wow, guys, this whale looking super amazing, very huge, guys. Look at the blue and white color combination, very sharp teeth, very huge whale, guys. Wow, this whale is very huge. Wow, look at the very sharp teeth of this whale. Let's collect this whale figure, guys. Now let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such amazing and very scary shark. Wow, guys, this tiger shark looking super cool, guys. Look at the gray and white color combination. Tiger shark, guys. Tiger shark has very sharp teeth, guys. Wow, super realistic, high quality tiger shark figure. Wow, let's collect this tiger shark, guys. And let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this, guys. This is lobster. combination lobster, super realistic. Look at the very cool hands of this lobster, guys. Wow, very amazing design. This is lobster figure, guys. Wow, very amazing lobster, super realistic. Now let's see this next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool and amazing, very realistic fish. This is the realistic sea animal. This is amazing dolphin. Wow. So this dolphin looking super cool, guys. Wow, they are very intelligent sea animal, guys. Wow, this is dolphin figure, very realistic design. Wow, look at the tail, very amazing. Now let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, we got another sea animal, very intelligent sea animal, guys. This is octopus. Guys, this octopus looking super cool, guys. Look at the very huge head of this octopus, orange and yellow color design. Where look at the how 8 and legs he has, guys. Wow, this is very huge and intelligent animal, sea animal. This is octopus figure. Wow, this octopus looking very realistic, guys. Let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is super realistic, high quality sea animal. This is crab. Wow, guys, this crab looking super realistic, guys. Look at the gray and white color combination crab figure. Wow, very realistic, high quality, guys. Wow, this is crab figure, guys. Wow, let's collect this crab. Now let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool and amazing sea lion. Wow, guys, this sea lion is looking super cool, guys. White and brown color combination. This is sea lion figure, guys. Wow, sea lions are very cool, guys. Very amazing, very realistic design, guys. Sea lion. Let's collect him, guys. Now let's see this next. Oh wow, guys, this is very amazing. Another tiger shark, guys. Wow. Very sharp teeth, very huge mouth, guys. This is tiger shark figure, guys. Very scary and very cool, guys. This is very amazing tiger shark, guys. Wow, very cool tiger shark, very realistic design, guys. Let's collect this tiger shark and let's see who's next. Oh wow, guys, look at this, guys. This is very amazing transparent fish. This is jellyfish. Wow, guys, this jellyfish is super cool, guys. Look at the very cool transparent body. Wow, they don't have brains, guys. This is very amazing, super cool transparent fish, jellyfish. Let's collect this jellyfish, guys. Jellyfish also lightens up, guys. Wow. Now let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, this is very amazing walrus. Wow, guys, this walrus is super cool, guys. Look at the sharp teeth of this walrus.
Flipper. Good. Target. Good. Down. Very nice touch. Hey, you're fine.
Gray and black and white color combination. This is walrus figure, guys. Walrus are very huge animal, very amazing animal, guys. Wow, they have very huge teeth. Wow, let's collect this walrus and let's see who's next. Oh wow, this is sea grass, guys. Very colorful grass. And let's see what is this. Oh guys, this is the orange fish. Wow. Wow, guys, this orange fish looking super amazing, orange and white color combination. Look at the black color design on his back. Wow, this is such a cool and amazing orange fish figure, guys. Wow, orange fish looking super cool, guys. Wow, let's collect this beautiful realistic orange fish figure. Now let's see what is next. Oh guys, we collected all of the sea animals too, guys. We collected, so today we collected wild animals and farming animals and finally sea animals, guys. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Look how many amazing animals we collected today, guys. Wow, this is so many animals, guys. So guys, hope you guys enjoy. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye, guys. Love you guys. Take it, guys. Bye. Love you guys. Take it, guys. Bye, guys. Love you guys.